gentlemen, these are our top 10 based on the first round. നിങ്ങൾ കാഴ്ചവെച്ച അമേസിംഗ് പെർഫോമൻസിൻ്റെ ബേസിസിൽ നിങ്ങൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് റൗണ്ടിലേക്ക് എത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്, റൗണ്ട് 2ലേക്ക് എത്തിയാണ്. ഹൗ ഡസ് ഇറ്റ് ഫീൽ? ഇറ്റ്സ് എക്സൈറ്റിംഗ്, റൈറ്റ്? ഇറ്റ്സ് എക്സൈറ്റിംഗ്, ഇറ്റ്സ് സർപ്രൈസിംഗ്, ബട്ട് യു ഹാവ് സംതിങ് more in front of you to focus on. So all that, I know some of you are surprised, some of you are speechless, but keep all the nerves aside because you need 100% confidence in the second round, because this round is about how well you answer the questions from the judges. Now this round is very, very important. We have our eminent panel of judges, and they have come up with some really good questions that you'll all be answering. So we want you to be 100% confident. Are you all feeling motivated, confident? അതോ ഒരു കൈയടിയും കൂടെ ചോദിച്ചു മേടിക്കണോ? അതാണ്, ആ ഒരു സപ്പോർട്ടാണ് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത്.
എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു നമുക്ക് 10 questions from the judges. They will pick from the lot. ആ ലോട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് അവർ തീരുമാനിക്കും. ആ തീരുമാനങ്ങൾ, ആ ഉത്തരങ്ങൾ അവരെ അടുത്ത ഇതിലേക്ക് നയിക്കുമായിരിക്കും. I understand, like after this round there will also be a filtering, then it will get to narrow down to 5. ഒരു 5ലേക്ക് എത്തും. 5ൽ നിന്ന് വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ പോകും 4, 3, 2, 1ലേക്ക്. The title winner for Miss Kerala 2019. So how you find feeling here?
Great.
That was not that good. Come on.
You scared her actually.
Amazing. Excited. Super excited. Excited. Very excited.
We should give equal opportunity, no?
All right. So ee roundil enganeyannu vechal we have I'm sorry.
Speechless. Awesome.
ഇത്രയൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞില്ല, ഒരു നല്ല കൈയടി അവർക്ക് കൊടുക്കാമോ? Superb. Sudhi, lots ready ആണോ?
So yes, that was what I was saying. ഈ റൗണ്ടിൽ എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ we have lots being picked out by all these contestants, and ഈ ലോട്ടിൽ അവർ പിക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഓരോ ജഡ്ജിൻ്റെയും പേരായിരിക്കും, ആൻഡ് ഈ ജഡ്ജ് ആയിരിക്കും അവരോട് ചോദ്യം ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും പേഴ്സണൽ ഫേവറേറ്റ് ജഡ്ജൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടോ? ഒന്നും കാര്യമില്ല. The lot is what is going to decide whose questions you are going to answer. So yes, sir.
We'll start from here. Okay.
Let's start with the contestant closest to us. In no particular order, we're going to start with the contestant closest to us. Yes?
This is for the Aparna Satyanathan.
Aparna Satyanathan. Make some noise for Aparna, ladies and gentlemen. Aparna'de fans ഒക്കെ നന്നായിട്ട് ഒന്ന് കൈയടിച്ചേ. Come on.
The question will be from the Sapna Chawla. You have a microphone with you, ma'am. Okay.
You've picked out a very nice judge who's going to ask you an amazing question. So all the best to you.
Hello, Aparna.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you feeling today?
Very good. I'm very excited and very happy to be in the top 10.
You look lovely. My question to you is, how important are your roots, where you come from? And if you were to win this pageant, how would you represent Miss Kerala and India? How would you represent Kerala and India?
Thank you for the lovely question, ma'am.
Do you want me to repeat, or have you understood?
No, ma'am, I understood the question. So, my roots are from Kerala, but I grew up in 5 different states across the country. My father, since he worked in a bank, used to get transferred very often. But as I turned 17 and I had to opt for a college, I chose to join National Law School, Cochin. And my one intention was to get back to my roots, to know my culture more closely. So I do believe that knowledge of your culture and the knowledge of your own ancestry is very important. And by doing the same, I think I have become closer to myself. I understand myself better today. So I think for everyone to know themselves better, to know their own identity, you should always go back to history. Also, if I win the crown tonight, I would definitely work towards making my state proud. I would stand for social causes, and I would stand to make Kerala a better place for everyone, especially women like me. And also, I proudly represent India as well. I'm very proud of my color, my brown skin. So I would definitely do actions and represent my country on a global platform. Thank you.
Thank you.
Definitely well answered. നല്ലൊരു കൈയടി ആവാം for that Answer with a lot of presence of mind, very spontaneous. That was contestant number 21, ladies and gentlemen, Aparna Satyanathan, who just answered very smartly, very confidently. So we're moving on to the next contestant standing next to Aparna, contestant number 8, Naima Jijo.
Yeah,
And
this
Naima,
is-
here's your bowl of the names of the various judges. And let's see who you've chosen. You've chosen Paris Lakshmi to ask the question to you. Ma'am?
ഹായ് നൈമ
ഹായ് മാം
എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്
സന്തോഷം
ഓക്കെ if you were to become one of the most powerful and influential persons in Kerala, what would you do first?
താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് മാം ഫോർ ദിസ് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. കേരളത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും പവർഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരാളായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് മാറാൻ സാധിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ പെൺകുട്ടികളുടെ സുരക്ഷ ഉറപ്പുവരുത്താനായിട്ടായിരിക്കും ഞാൻ ഏറ്റവും ആദ്യം ശ്രമിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. പെൺകുട്ടികളുടെ സുരക്ഷ ഉറപ്പുവരുത്താൻ പറ്റുന്ന നിയമങ്ങൾ നടപ്പിലാക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കാനായിരിക്കും ഞാൻ രണ്ടാമത് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് പെൺകുട്ടികൾക്കെതിരെ ക്രൂരതകൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളുകളെ നിയമത്തിൻ്റെ മുൻപിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ ഞാൻ മാക്സിമം ശ്രമിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്.
I think your answer was absolutely loved by all the audience. Brilliantly answered. Congratulations, Naima Jijo. That was contestant number 8, ladies and gentlemen.
Next
so we are
one is
moving on
for
to
Alisa Davies.
contestant number 1, Alisa Davis. Let's see whom she chooses through the lot.
This one is for Sajna Najam.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. See, cyberbullying is one of the greatest problems in the world today. ചിലപ്പോൾ ഇനി നാളെ അലീസയ്ക്കും ഈ ചെറിയ വേഷമൊക്കെ ഇടുന്നതിന് ആൾക്കാർ അതും ഇതൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു വയ്ക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ഫേസ്ബുക്കിലും ഇൻസ്റ്റാഗ്രാമിലും. ഓക്കെ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് യുവർ ടേക്ക് ഓൺ ഇറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഹൗ വിൽ യു സോൾവ് ഇറ്റ്?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. Good evening, everyone. I guess cyberbullying is one of the biggest threat our globe is facing nowadays, especially it's targeting on younger audiences and youngsters. So, as a woman, I know that I will be challenged on my modesty or whenever I openly express my opinions. That's a platform where mostly women get attacked on the cyber basis or on the digital platforms. So, as a person, first of all, I'll make all the parents aware of what your kids are doing on the internet. Second, I'll make our cyber government's authorities or their regulations more stronger so that the things like spamming and hacking can be reduced to a greater extent. And next, I can make and spread awareness about to the people about how to use the internet properly and not to get into fake websites that they won't be threatened on any basis.
See, cyberbullying, like forget about the internet and thing. What I told is, see, if you are wearing a dress like that,
Yeah.
what do you get bullied like that? See, whether you what will they say that why are you wearing such clothes and behind your picture, like beneath your picture, they'll be giving many comments. How
Yeah.
will you solve it?
First of all, ma'am, I won't be I'll be matured enough not to react to it immediately. But whenever I get a platform, I'll be telling that as a woman, my modesty is the clothes in which I am comfortable in. And I don't think anyone has the right to judge people on the line of clothes which we wear. Thank you so much.
താങ്ക് യു അലീസ. വളരെ റിലവൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിന് ഏറ്റവും മികച്ച രീതിയിലുള്ള ആൻസേഴ്സുമാണ് നമ്മൾ കേട്ട് വരുന്നത്. വെൽ ഡൺ അലീസ. മൂവിങ് ഓൺ ടു ദി നെക്സ്റ്റ് കണ്ടസ്റ്റൻറ്റ്. ക്യാൻ വി പ്ലീസ് ഹാവ് ദ ബോൾ? കണ്ടസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് ഹൂസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു ആൻസർ ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇസ് നവ്യ ദേവി. ആൻഡ് നവ്യ ചൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്, നവ്യ ഫാൻസ് അവിടെ ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ, നവ്യ ദേവി ഫാൻസ് അവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. The judge that you have chosen is Roshni Dinakar, and let's see what's your question.
And to request all the other contestants to kindly 2 steps behind.
Hello Navya,
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am.
how are you doing?
Very well.
Coming from NIF because I studied in the same college as well, but that was
Proud
NIF
of you.
Bangalore. So I'm sure you're very confident enough today, and you sounded very confident. When we are celebrating women on this platform today, I just want to ask, what should be the emphasis on? Equality of women or empowerment of women? What's your take on it?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Good evening, all. It's every woman's dream to be the one that makes a huge difference to the entire community of women. But equality, equity, empowerment, different words, do they mean the same to everybody is a big question. Women are to be empowered, but it is to be understood that we are stronger in the best of things that we are made for. There's nothing stopping us, but it doesn't mean that muscles make women stronger. It's a heart. It's a will to do better. It's a will to do great things. So empowerment to me is letting a woman be herself. And I think there we find equality too. Because if a man can be a man, why can't a woman be a woman she wants to be?
Well said, Navya.
Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was Navya Devi.
Brilliantly answered the question on women empowerment. And all of you have amazing presence of mind, I should say. We are moving on to the next contestant, Anjana Venu. And Anjana has chosen the judge, Prashant Nair IAS. Over to you.
Good evening, sir. Good
Good evening,
judges.
Anjana. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am good too.
Thank you.
Anjana, nobody likes to be judged. ആർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമല്ല ജഡ്ജ് ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നത് അല്ലേ ബട്ട് യു ആർ വാക്കിംഗ് ഓൺ ദ റാമ്പ് യു ആർ ഗെറ്റിംഗ് ഗ്രൂംഡ് സോ ദാറ്റ് പീപ്പിൾ അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റ് യു you mold your behavior, your style, whatever, to get appreciation to get approval from others. So how do you see this dichotomy?
Thank you for the question, first of all, sir. So I think the element of being judged and the whole, element of being groomed go parallelly, is what I can say, because everyone over here sees me with a different eye, because parents see me as, probably I want a daughter like that, okay? My fellow contestants see me as a competitor. The photographers see me as a model over here. So the element of judgment is more like I am here to represent myself. That is one part of it. And the next part, grooming of course comes as a part of modeling. They have groomed us in every way, whether in terms of fitness, whether in terms of how to, present yourself out there, how to be confident. So being judged and having been groomed, they're like almost the same to me, it's like one complements the other is what I can say. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well answered.
Thank you, Anjana. And moving on to Anse. This one is for you. The lucky judge to be picked up is who is that? Nikhil Prasad.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Ansi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
Good. So, Ansi, like this Miss Kerala contest is being conducted based out of digital selection, and also I hope you're aware about this social media influencer thing.
Yes.
So, tomorrow, today, if you're winning this title, you are going to be recognized. You are going to get a lot of followers. So, how do you think that you'll be able to influence these followers?
Thank you for the question, sir. Even if I am not being in this platform, I still can influence people. You need not need many followers on Instagram or Facebook to influence people. Just step out of your house.
But there are going to be people who are looking up to you, maybe people who wants to be a Miss Kerala tomorrow. They may be actually looking up to what you're doing, what kind of things you're doing. So for those kind of people.
Okay. So if that is a question, let me explain where I am coming from. So I am basically coming from a Orthodox Muslim family. So mainly I want to work for them. I'm seeing many girls who are sitting inside home and want to come to this field. I always tell them fashion is not wearing a sleeveless or wearing a full sleeve. Both are fashion. To be comfortable, to walk in ramp comfortable, confidently, that is fashion. So to such community, such girls, what I see basically every day, so those people are what I want to influence. I cannot change the whole society, I cannot influence the whole society, but this small community that I see every day, I want to tell them, I want to show them, yes, within my limitations, wearing a full sleeve, yes, I can reach the crown, I can be the title. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, contestants, and beautifully spoken. We will now move on to the next contestant, Aishwarya Srinivasan. And Aishwarya has picked out her judge. Again, we have Prashant Nair IAS asking the question to Aishwarya Srinivasan.
Hello, sir.
Hi Aishwarya.
Hey, sir.
See, your name Aishwarya is so lucky. So many beauty pageants have been won by people with this name.
Yes, sir.
But what makes you think that you have something which the other girls don't have?
That's why I'm here, sir. From a total
Apart
of...
from your name, okay?
Yeah, that's why. We had out of 1,000 or some 500, it was shortlisted to 100, 10 to 22, and I'm here in the 10. So I definitely believe there's something that people over here see in me. And of course...
What?
Yeah, I am a confident girl. I am standing in front of you, speaking to a lot of people over here confidently. That's what I am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aishwarya Srinivasan. For that, you can hand it over to Anjana over there. Yeah, super. So Anjana, are you ready with the one whom you personally prefer if you are not being given an option to choose? Whom would you prefer?
I'm okay with any judges. I like all of them.
You like all of them, huh? Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
Superb, good one, huh? This is to Rajiv Nair.
Hi Anjana.
Hi sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you
Okay
doing?
Anjana, we all of us here belong to a beautiful state called Kerala. And we have a lot of positive indices. But same time, there are some negative indices also, some bad reputation. According to you, which is the worst bad reputation what Malayali as a community or Kerala as a state carry, and what will be your contribution to change that?
Thank you for the question, sir. According to me, there's nothing good or bad. It all depends on the mentality of the people. Like say, for example, you do something, you team up something and do something for the society, and people appreciate it. That means there is a good point in that. And when the people is not appreciating it, that means there are some bad. I can't say bad thing. Maybe the vibes or the connectivity. It's just the mentality of the people. We have to change. And if I am being crowned, I'll make sure that I can influence people by saying positive. Like I have already said in my introduction, I want to be positivity, like spread positivity, so that even the people surrounding us automatically, even with a good smile, we can have only good things and good thoughts, and the bad things can be inhibited.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anjana Shahjan.
So Anjana Shahjan is an optimist. Good to know. Moving on to the next contestant, Drushya Damodaran. You have chosen Roshni Dinakar to ask you a question. Wonderful. Go ahead.
I'm feeling great now, sitting here, watching you all. I know how much of effort you guys have put in, the still toes, what you guys are standing on. I know how much it hurts. And that would be the first effort you're putting in for this contest. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, with regard to, the cyberbullying question, what ma'am had asked earlier. I was somebody who had got a major share in that. There were a lot of good, bad things. Do you think anonymity plays a big factor in people coming out and bullying others?
Yes, ma'am. I actually agree to that. Anonymity do contest a big thing in like bullying others. Because and one thing I would say that if I don't like a person, I would definitely go to two other person and I would say, oh, she's like that. Come on, she's like that. And even they keep spreading and it goes like, okay, this is like, and that group of people, they keep bullying this person and they're like, okay. But one thing I would say that bullying, it's in its way. Just one thing you can do is ignore. Because ignorance plays a main part. Like if you're getting bullied, okay, fine. If you're bullying me, that's okay. But if I don't have a grudge on you, that's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, so 9 of our 10 contestants have answered the questions brilliantly, don't you think? ഉത്തരങ്ങൾ ഇഷ്ടമായിരുന്നു? ആരെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് നന്നായിട്ട് കൈയടിക്കുക. Our final contestant is about to
Just
give
one,
the answer.
just one cheat left. Just one more contestant left. Okay. See, you got a wonderful panel of judges. One is a filmmaker. One is from the business. One is a dancer. One is a IAS collector. One is representing the social media platform. One is a choreographer. One is again an entrepreneur. One is a classical dancer. Which will be a personal pick again? I know you love all of them. They were absolutely wonderful.
I want the director of Karika to ask me a question.
Beautiful. I have, okay, we will do this thing. The director of Karika will pass a question, which we won't take into the judging this thing because we have one chit left. If that chit is not the director, definitely he will ask you a question because even I love Karik, so he will definitely ask you a question.
So now she has to answer 2 questions, is it?
Absolutely, she asked for
you
it.
made
No,
her
she
life
asked for
tougher.
it.
Thank you.
Yeah. There is a disclaimer, I think even the impresario had Harish Bhai told me like the host can make any changes in the schedule, okay?
Go ahead,
Just
go
kidding.
ahead, please
Just
go
kidding.
ahead.
Just kidding. Okay, now this is for the first one. The question connected to the judging is for this is for Haripriya, Srimati Haripriya Nambudari. This is for you, and that is done.
Hi Malavika. You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
One thing I would like to ask is, what is one quality which you think a woman should definitely possess, and how do you think you can instill that in women?
Thank you for the question. I think an ideal woman would be a woman who is compassionate towards others and sensitive towards others, who's strong and brave and can take any challenge and can face it as good as a man. Yes.
One quality?
Compassionate.
How can you instill it?
I think compassion is something that is there in all women. So I don't think I have to do something to install it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think you can stay back because your personal favorite judge would definitely want to ask you a question. Nikhil sir, if you can ask her the question she's been wanting to answer so badly.
Malavika, so hope you're doing good. So what do you think is the biggest fear you had in your life, and have you overcome it, and how?
My biggest fear is public speaking or speaking. I'm an introvert. I don't talk at all. I think I have overcome it to a little extent.
I think you are speaking well only. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful, and you just got a positive boost from your favorite judge. So that is not the question based on which you will be judged, but then you got a bonus chance to answer a question. Well and good for you. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Round 2 of Swayamvara Silks presents Impresario Miss Kerala 2019. The question answer round ആണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ വിറ്റ്നസ് ചെയ്തത്.
We wish them all the best, all the 10. That winds up the round number 2. A huge round of applause for all these wonderful people, the 10 gorgeous, wonderful women over here.
ഇവരുടെ ഉത്തരങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ നന്നായിട്ട് തന്നെ കൈയടിച്ചോളൂ. For the top 10, ladies and gentlemen, of Swayamvara presents Impresario Miss Kerala 2019 Grand Finale.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you to all the contestants and all the best.